Nothing to say. We've said everything.
Yes, we just want a national question. Your Excellency,
national.
Your opinion sure counts as a national leader in this country.
Yes.
And in the face of unstable economic realities, what words of hope and assurances do you have for Nigerians?
Well, what I would say is that all of us are now involved, and all of us should work hard and do the necessary sacrifice to see that we turn around the situation. And that is why it is necessary that when things like what happened here happened, and the government responded in a manner the government should respond, that everybody comes to participate and commend them for doing the right thing, and that we all do the right thing. It's a lot of sacrifice. Today, elections are over. Governance is the key thing, and what is required is, for me in particular, is that we need to cut the cost of governance, especially at the federal level. It is unacceptable the way we're going. We need to prioritize areas, critical areas, education, health, and pulling people out of poverty. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.